Hey guys, my name is Tyler and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your videos suggested on YouTube and in turn, grow your YouTube channel. Make sure to watch the entire video since you really don't want to miss out on any tips that could and will get your videos suggested. Also, my channel has been blowing up for the past few days and I wanted to take this time to thank all of you. Thank you all for liking and commenting on my videos. I really do appreciate it. In return, I'm going to do my best in this video to help you reach your goals. My shoutout giveaway is still active, and if you haven't entered yet, make sure to do that by subscribing to my second channel by visiting the link in the description below. Once that's done, come back to this video and comment done. Now, enough of that, let's get into the video. Number 1, make engaging video content. Engaging video content is content that keeps the viewer watching for a long period of time, about 7 minutes or more. YouTube is all about watch time and not so much about views. A video could have 100,000 views and not get suggested because of poor watch time, while another video with barely 1,000 views could get suggested because of high watch time. Bottom line is that you should always try to figure out ways to get your viewers to watch your entire video. Number 2, upload compelling custom thumbnails. Custom thumbnails are generally the single most important element in getting someone to actually click on your videos. The more people who click on your videos, the more watch time you're able to rack up. Now, there's a pitfall here, which is that if you make a misleading thumbnail, people will click away from your video quickly, harming our average view duration and harming your suggested video algorithm performance. So always create custom thumbnails that actually relate to your content, and don't clickbait only for the sake of views, since it will hurt your overall watch time. Number 3, optimize your YouTube content for recommendations. Optimizing your YouTube content to appear in recommended lists hinges on many of the same principles as for search engine optimization. A key difference is that any appearance in recommendations is likely to be only temporary, so the goal is to remain there as long as possible. Here are a few tips for optimizing your YouTube content for recommendations. Write a detailed description for each video using contextual keywords that demonstrate why your video is relevant to a range of different searches. Don't miss the opportunity to optimize all of your video metadata. This includes the description and your video's title and tags. Create compelling thumbnails. Create playlists on specific topics to create a more immersive experience. Consider adding others' content for variation. Create a consistent flow of high-quality videos in terms of both engaging content and slick presentation. That's my best tips to help you get your YouTube videos recommended. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.